Hi guys, Ronda Winstead here with you. Okay, so it has been a little while since I have updated my bullet journal, and I was a little bit behind. I don't know if you ever get behind, but I did. So I don't remember exactly if I showed you all of my October, but I love it. And just a reminder, I was using Barbara from 49 Dragonflies, her digitals. And then this, I know I hadn't done anything here. I was going to maybe write about it, but I found this was kind of fun. This little quote from Anne of Green Gables, and then I added a little ghosty. And so, moving into November, and I didn't keep track because I didn't actually finish or do my November bullet journal, my month, until just a couple of days ago. And so I lost track here, and I just let it go because I just don't remember. But coming along here, I have again used some of Barbara's digitals. This was, I think, her last year, maybe her fall and autumn. And I thought, it goes really well with the Thanksgiving. And so I chose to use that. I've created my little calendar again and my tracker. I changed to this system last month, I believe. I don't think I did in September. Let's go back. Yeah, September. Oh, I did. This is the first one. Excuse me. Let's see what we did for August. Right. Here I did individually. I had my grateful, writing my things of gratitude separately and using this as, kind of my tracker, and then switched it around in September. But I have loved doing this. I really have. This has been super fun. But I have to tell you guys, I don't know that I'm going to do this next year. I haven't decided yet, because it does take quite a bit of work. And I find that if I get behind, like I did here, and I haven't got it in place, then I just don't write or don't do anything. It kind of stops me in my tracks, and so I have to kind of think that through. But I wanted to definitely make sure that I got the whole year journaled with the bullet journal. So we are into, this is the 10th. I don't know that this will air on the 10th, but this is the 10th. I still have to write my gratitude, but this has just been actually much easier to do, doing it this way. And I love these. If you haven't followed all of my videos on the bullet journal, I will share with you that one of two things that I wanted to do this year was to use more washi tape and to use stamps. Now, some of the months I've cheated and I use faux stamps that I have purchased from different artists, and that's continuing with my fall here. And I've just done little bits of collage, not a whole lot, but with the washi tape, it just kind of decorates itself, really. And then I've layered and added more of Barbara's digital images. And then we're moving into December, and so I put this little music. That's my one little nod to December here. And I have gone ahead and removed and glued my pages. So this will be my calendar and my tracker, and then 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and the last week of December. And that will finish up this book. And I am so, I just feel I did it. This was kind of hard, but I did it, and I love going back and looking through and seeing what I accomplished. So yeah, so this is just a short video to just share that with you guys. If you're working on yours, I hope you'll continue. Tell me what you think, and what are your plans for 2021? How are you going to keep all of your appointments and different things that you want to keep track of? Are you doing a bullet journal, or what other type of journal are you using to make life a little bit easier for you? All right. I love you guys, and I hope you're having a fabulous day. Yeah. So be good, be grateful, be thankful. This is the month of Thanksgiving, right? All right. Until next video. Bye now.